Hello. Welcome to my channel Haroon Zubaidi. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Apple Intelligence in old devices like from iPhone 10 to iPhone 14 Pro. So currently I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see in the Siri section, I have the old interface of Siri. I don't have any interface of Apple Intelligence. So I will show you how to enable Apple Intelligence and Siri, so I will show you this. The best of here you can see in general and about. I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. And the version I'm using is 18.2 Beta 2 and the software recently I received from Apple is very important to official RC version. So no need to update this RC. Okay. Now, we will go to some of the things you need to turn off. I will show you step by step. First of all, go to Profile, click on Find My, and hope you see this Find My iPhone. Turn off Find Me iPhone. All the settings should be turned off. OK, and go to Face ID. You had to turn off all the settings for further. Configuration you had to turn off. For all the settings is very important. Once all the settings is off, keep the phone away. And then you have to come on your Windows. And I will show you what other requirements are needed. What are the app and applications are needed? I will provide the link in the description below. All the apps and applications. So now this is a Nugget application, which we can customization of an iPhone. So the Nugget application, we can customize and enable Apple and Intelligence. So I will show you how to do that. Let's wait. So to run the Nugget application, you have to download Python software first of all to support Nugget in Windows. But on 3.13, you have to download Python software from the website. I will provide the link in the description of all the. Here you can see you have to download Python software. Once you download this Python software, so no need to open Donate to run once it's downloaded. Just keep it. And we have to download iTunes as well. And I will provide the link in the description below. And just click on the links and download all applications one by one. OK. And you have to download the Gestalt profile as well, Apple Intelligence. I will provide the link as well, and here you can. Once the iTunes has been downloaded, so you can go and find out the Gestalt file. Here you can see the guest certified link is. There is a shortcut of a guest profile. You have to click on this link and in your iPhone. The shortcut will be created on your iPhone. So once the shortcut is created, so run the shortcut and save the file in your iPhone. When the file is saved of Apple Intelligence, it will save the file of Apple with your iPhone to your desktop. I will show you the demo. Now I'm running the shortcut. OK. Save the file in Files anywhere where you want to save. OK. Hope you see this is my Apple Intelligence files. I've been located here. OK. Just go back. Go back and then you have to come back twice. Come back to Files and find Apple Intelligence files. OK, you can see now the files are enabled. So now you can share easily to the desktop with email or WhatsApp. So now click anyone on the file, share the file, and you can share with WhatsApp. And that you can share it with email easily. Thank you. Once the file shared with your desktop, and open the desktop. OK, connect your phone to desktop. I will show you the final step. This is the Nugget application video. You want to customize your iPhone. So it's the service of a Nugget application. So now I will connect my phone. You can see I am going to connect my iPhone. Once the phone is connected, it will ask for trust. You have to click on trust. After trust, you have to type your password. OK. Then from top left corner you have to refresh your Nugget application. Refresh your Nugget application. Once the refresh, you will see your device name. Device will be appeared and OK. And you have to go to eligibility. Click on Enable Apple Intelligence and Unsupported Device. And then you have to go down. Click on Original, select any one device from iPhone 15 Pro to iPhone 16 Pro Max. Device name. Once study wisely selected, so now you have to go for Apply. Which you have here. Select Profile from Downloads and Apply. So apply changes. Now the phone will get reboot. I'll do it. If you have to wait for a few minutes after reboot. So please do subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Now the iPhone is now open. Now we'll go back to home screen. Go to Settings. Go to Apple Intelligence Settings. Hope you can see here before the old Siri. Now Apple Intelligence button, new interface. On the new users and be available now. Hey, what are you doing? Image Playground also is working now. OK, so once the Apple Intelligence will download, will start working. So here you can see my signal number and iPhone number. Model number. A good iPhone storage. If a good iPhone storage, you can see here an iPhone iOS. Here you can see Apple Intelligence iOS. But now, you don't need to worry about Apple Intelligence. It will be available. Okay. Now you can see it's like a perfect. It will work. Thank you. Do like, subscribe my channel Haroon Zubaidi. Thank.